Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be changing the tail lights on my E36. As you can see, they are cracked and it's leaking water into the trunk. Also, they're not working properly all the time. So the new ones I did get from eBay. They are slightly different. As you can see, where the blinker goes is yellow. This one is completely both sides white. And you can see the water in there. So now that I have both tail lights out, I'm going to go ahead and transfer all the sockets to the new ones. But first, I'm going to blow them, make sure they're dry since there was so much water inside the old ones, and also clean up the contacts. So now that I've finished transferring all the sockets, I'm going to go ahead and put this side on first, and then I'll do the same thing with the other side. Make sure everything lines up, and then we just push it. Now I'm just gonna plug in the connector. Now the left side. Now the connector. And now we're gonna shut them. So there they are. They're lit up already. The blinkers, they both work. The brake, alright, everything working. Last thing we should check at the reverse, but it should be fine.